a little student. Nowadays, there are a lot of students. We are trying to give you best service. And according to our students' result, not only result, but also from the beginning, that means from the starting of this year, in this semester, we count attendance, homework, class performance, class tutorial, and also first semester final exam. They make a result according to all things of his or her performance of first semester final exam. We will give him or her prize, first, second, third, or other position. Okay. To discuss another matter, our school teachers all are cordial to communicate with you or with your students. Whenever students absent, we don't make a perfect way. That's why I tell you again and again, you must come to your child regularly. Otherwise, not possible to make you perfect. So, I think that you must be conscious about that. You know what is the preschooling? Preschooling means nursery and KG. That means students come to our school to know environment, to know friends, to know parents, to know teachers and others, environmental matters. And also learning matters, know about that. And preschooling programs means actually students come to school to know about different type of environmental matters, friends and parents, teachers, and also learning a little. And from class 1 to other classes, we also learn a lot. So, who are sincere guardian? From my personal view, thank you very much all of you for your consciousness, for your sincerity, and also to help us. And last of all, I suggest to you, you have some dream for your child. If you have some dream, you must conscious about your child. Otherwise, not possible to fill up your child's dream in future. If you don't conscious about your child, you never fill up your child's dream in future. From this position, they are little boys, they are students. From this position, they will role play for the nation, for country, for world.